Capacity. It can carry between 500 and 25 passengers in a typical 3-class configuration and up to 850 in an all-economy class layout. Range. The A380 has a range of around 8,000 nautical miles, approximately 14,800 kilometers, allowing for non-stop, long-haul flights. Engines. It is powered by either Rolls-Royce Trent 900 or Engine Alliance GP7200 engines. Size. It has a length of 72.7 meters, 238 feet, and a wingspan of 79.8 meters, 261.8 feet, making it the largest commercial aircraft ever built. Cruising speed. The typical cruising speed of the A380 is Mach 0.85, or about 900 kilometers per h, 560 miles per hour.